So I'm gonna show you guys how the welding machine works today, and I'm gonna also give you guys a little bit behind the scenes action and actually show you guys me welding a letter together. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm making sure that the metal is connecting properly. Right, we got two kinds of metals, white and rose. So these are the posts that we originally designed to basically hold the piece in place. But I just wasn't too satisfied with those little posts holding up the whole letter, right? If you do the math, each one of these letters is worth a couple thousand each. So I wanted to make sure that they were securely mounted onto the base. And then